Welcome to Speak Flow English. Learn, practice, and succeed.
Hello, Grandma.
Hello, young man.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every week.
That's nice.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Nice to meet you too.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Please sit here with me.
Okay.
I like talking with you.
Me too, Grandma. Grandma, do you need groceries?
Yes, I need vegetables and milk.
I can help you.
Thank you, Alex.
Let's get a basket.
Good idea.
What do we buy first?
Tomatoes and potatoes.
Okay.
The tomatoes look fresh.
Yes, they do.
Can you get some apples?
Of course.
Thank you.
Do you need bread too?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
You are very helpful.
I'm happy to help.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
We are ready to pay.
Okay. Please put the basket here. Your total is 28 pounds.
Oh, let me get my wallet.
It's okay, I will pay today.
Oh, no, you don't need to do that.
I want to help you.
That is so kind of you.
That is very sweet.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please tap your card.
Okay.
Payment successful.
Great.
Thank you very much, Alex.
You are welcome.
I will never forget this.
Don't worry about it.
The weather is beautiful today.
Yes, it is sunny and warm.
Thank you for carrying the bags.
The bags are not heavy.
Still, thank you very much.
I am happy to walk with you.
You are a very good young man.
My mother always tells me to help people.
Your mother taught you well.
Thank you.
Do you study or work?
I study English at college.
That is wonderful.
I also work part-time at a cafe.
You are very hard-working.
I try my best.
I am sure your family is proud of you.
I hope so.
Hello. Did you find everything?
Yes, thank you.
We are ready to pay.
Okay. Please put the basket here. Your total is 28 pounds.
Oh, let me get my wallet.
It's okay, I will pay today.
Oh no, you don't need to do that.
I want to help you, too.
That is so kind of you.
That is very sweet.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Please tap your card.
Okay,
Payment successful.
great.
Thank you very much, Alex.
You are welcome.
I will never forget this.
Don't worry about it.
These bags are heavy.
I will carry them.
Thank you.
Your house is very nice.
I'm happy you like it.
Where do I put the bags?
Put them on the table, please.
Okay,
Thank you for helping me.
no problem.
Would you like some tea?
Yes,
I also made cookies.
wow. I love cookies.
Good.
Your home feels warm.
Thank you, Alex. Welcome to my home.
Your home is very cozy.
Thank you. Please come in.
Where should I put the bags?
Please put them on the table.
Okay,
Thank you again for your help today.
it was my pleasure.
I was very tired before you came.
Now you can rest.
Yes, thanks to you.
Do you need anything else?
No, I am okay now.
I am glad to hear that.
Please visit me again someday.
Of course.
Wait a minute.
Yes?
I want to give you some tea and cake.
Really? Thank you.
You are always welcome here.
Hello.
Hi, Alex. How are you?
I'm good. What are you doing?
I'm relaxing at home. And you?
I'm walking home now.
You sound very happy today.
Yes, because something nice happened.
Really? Tell me.
I helped an old grandma today.
Oh, that is so sweet.
I helped her at the supermarket.
That was very kind of you.
We bought vegetables and fruit together.
Did you carry the bags too?
Yes, I did.
Wow, you are amazing.
Thank you.
And then what happened?
I walked her home safely.
She must be very happy.
Yes, she smiled a lot.
I'm proud of you.
Really?
Of course. You are a good person.
Thank you. You always support me.
Always.
What are you doing now?
I'm drinking tea and talking to you.
Nice.
When will we meet again?
Maybe this weekend.
Great! I can't wait.
Me too.
Okay, talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.